guys, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. And for today's video guys, I just want to share and react this requested video of our viewers guys. And the title of this video guys is Engagi Leichil official video. And the artist of this video guys is Amarjeet Lourembam and Preeti Yumnam. So before we watch this video guys, I'm going to read first this Engagi. I don't know if this is the meaning of Engagi Leichil guys. Correct me guys if I am wrong guys, just comment down below. So I just want to read this first. Engagi Leichil is a song sung to the diffuse clouds of June that brings rain, distancing the beloveds from one another. Through these lyrics, conversation between the two lovers, we try to manifest the lifestyle of farmers in early Manipur society. How people used to go from one place to another, their medium of communication, their ways of earning and surviving. Here in this song, the clouds is represented by a lady saying that it brings rain that blocks her lover's path, to which the guy soothes his inamorata by saying that it was he who assembled the clouds to wash away her anxiousness. Alright, that was the I think the meaning of Engagi Leichil. So guys, before we start the video, make sure that you are subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So without further ado guys, let's get now and watch this video. Comic City Center present Sangai Music Video Diary. Wow, I like the introduction guys, the sense of guitar. Sounds good guys. Whoa. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Wow. What a voice that one guys. Very soft voice of this lady. Wow. Oh, what a combination voice, guys. Oh, I like also the voice of this man. Wow. Wow. Is this a Kasi song guys or Manipur song? No, that's so Kasi in this Manipur song guys. Just like, you know, this is a similarity guys. Yeah. Wow. Look at their instrumental guys. A different instrumental they use here. This this video. Not only the voice are very good guys, but you know these are ladies very beautiful also. Wow, I like to hear the voice, guys. Just like I'm hanging from the air. You know, when you hear the voice. I love it, your music, guys. Wow. Look at that instrumental, guys. It's like I want to sleep. You know the sounds, guys. It makes me, you know, I want to sleep. And playing that sounds, guys. Wow. Look at that. Did you hear the voice, guys? Just like, you know, just like I'm in the forest, guys, and I hear the voice of not the voice or the sounds of the birds, animals there in the forest, guys, just like that one, guys. Oh wow, that was a very wonderful music video for me, guys. Wow, thank you so much. By the way, guys, the uploader of this video, guys, is Sangai Studio. Wow, thank you so much for you, Sangai Studio, for this, you know, for me, a very special song for me, guys, because, you know, when I hear this song, guys, just like I'm in the, you know, in the forest, guys, listening the sounds of different animals, guys, birds, that one. Oh my goodness, guys. So I just want to react another video of this channel, guys, because I hope that I can search another like this music video, guys. I love it, guys. I love it. No doubt for that, guys. I love this music because you know, they use a different instrument here, guys, not only the guitar. I'm not good in the instrument, guys, but I watched this video, guys. I saw that they're using a different instrument. Alright, guys, thank you so much, guys, for having me here until the end of this video, guys, and I hope you enjoy and you like this music video. Give this a lot of likes, guys. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for this moment that you giving me a chance to react your music video. Sangai Studio, thank you so much. And also, I just want to thank my all subscribers and viewers there in Northeast India. Thank you so much, guys, for having me Thank you so much guys for always there to love and support my channel. Alright guys, so for those new to my channel guys, please guys don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So guys, until the next reaction video guys, thank you so much guys, and I love you all. God bless you and bye!